Now let us discuss a class with an example here. Here we are going to discuss a class that is a box is a class here. Box is having the three variables, width, height and depth. Okay, you see here box, that is the keyword followed by the name of the class, that is a box. Okay, inside this box class we are having the variables of the box are width, height and depth. All are of type double. Class defines a new type of data. In this case, new data type is called box. You will use this name to declare the objects of type box. It is important to remember that class declaration only creates a template. It does not create an actual object here. Okay, if you have created a class, okay, if you want to execute any class, we have to create the, if you want to do any execution, we have to create the object of that class here. How to create an object? Here you see this is a statement for creating an object here. Here box is the name of the class followed by the object name. Here object name is my box equal to new. New is the, it is going to allocate the memory for that object. Okay, and the box is the constructor. Okay, that will execute during the object creation here. Okay, that concept will be covered in further videos. Okay, box the name of the class followed by the object name new, it will allocate the memory for that object, and box is the constructor. And every box object will contain its own copies of instance variables width, height and depth. The thing is that if you have created two objects for a single class, that is a box class, okay, those two objects will have their own memory location for all the variables, so that every box object will contain its own copies of instance variables. In this case, in this example, width, height and depth. Okay, to access these variables you will use dot operator. Okay, in order to uh, access the variables, okay, of a class, we are going to use the dot operator. The dot operator links the name of the object with the name of an instance variable. The dot operator will links what object name with the instance variable. It may be variable or it may be method of that class. For example, if you want to assign a value 100 to the variable or an instance variable width, how to do this one? My box dot width is equal to 100. My box is the object of the class box dot followed by the instance variable width is equal to value which you want to assign to that variable, that is a instance variable. This statement tells the compiler to assign copy of width that is contained within the mybox object the value of 100. Then let us look at the example. You should call the file that contains this program. Once you have written the program, we have to save that program first. Okay, in order to save the program, okay, here boxdemo.java, because the main method is in the class called boxdemo, not the class called box. We have created the, in this program is having the two classes. One is a, it is here only, that is a box class. Box class is having only the variables, that are instance variables. Okay, after that we are going to have one more class, that is a uh, box demo class. Okay, box demo class is having the main method, so that we are going to give this name for the file of this program here. So that box demo.java. We know that always you have to choose the Java file name, the class name which is having the main method. The main method is there inside the box demo class, so that we are going to choose this name for the Java file. Okay, when you compile this program, okay, you will find that two dot class files. We know that how to compile a program Java C what Java C the file name dot Java Java C box demo dot Java. After compiling, we are going to have the dot class files. Okay, in this example, we are having two classes. The one is box class. One more is there. In this, he has not given. That is a box demo. In that, main method is there. Okay. Once you compile the program, we are going to have the two classes. One is box class. One is a demo box demo class. Okay. The Java compiler automatically puts each class into its own dot class file. Okay. In the dot class file, those two classes are going to be saved. You could put each class in its own file called box.java and boxdemo.java respectively. That is left to you. And to run this program, you must execute boxdemo.class. When you do, you will see the following output, that is volume is equal volume is 100. Okay, this method he has not given here. Just to assume that value method is there inside the box class, so that is going to be calculated. And here you see, here he has given what how to run the program means what Java launch Java followed by the name of the class which is having the main method. For saving the Java program, we are going to have file name dot Java. The file name should be same as class name which is having the main method. After that, we have to compile the program here. The for compilation Java C followed by the name of the Java file. Okay, that is a box demo dot Java. After that, in order to see the output or in order to execute the program, we are going to use Java space followed by the name of the class which is having the main method, because we know that uh, execution in Java will start from the main method, so that is there inside the box demo. Yes, in next video we will see the object concepts.